Hey guys, what's up? I am back with the brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the new Realme 8 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy A52, and this is the most requested video on the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how is the Realme 8 Pro is stack up against the Samsung Galaxy A52. And first, now let's talk about the specification about the phone. And guys, and both phones has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor with 8GB of RAM, and also we have a quad cameras on the back as you can see. And the interesting thing is that we have a 64 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization on the Samsung Galaxy A52, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a normal 108 megapixel main camera, so that's a really huge difference. And also we have a ultra wide, macro and a depth sensor. Here is the design language of the Realme 8 Pro as well as the A52. On the back we get this Dare to Live logo, which I don't like that. I like the design language of the Samsung Galaxy A52. Now let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one when it comes to booting up. And guys, on both phones is completely off, so now let's start off with the boot up test between these two devices. Here we go. And the logo, it is here more faster on the Realme 8 Pro as compared to the A52, and both phones is running on Android 11. We have a Samsung One UI 3.1 on the A52, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a Realme UI 2.0, and also we have a dual speakers on the A52, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a single speakers. And also A52, it is a little bit more expensive phone as compared to the Realme 8 Pro, but this is the best of Samsung and this is the best of Realme in this price range. And you can see, and the Realme 8 Pro, it is more faster when it comes to booting up, despite having the same processor on both phones. And you can see, and A52 is take a lot of time, so that's a very disappointing thing. But now the Samsung Galaxy A52, it is also done, and you can see about 6 or 8 second difference between these two devices when it comes to booting up. And guys, you can see that, and the Realme 8 Pro, it is more faster when it comes to booting up. And guys, now let's talk about the display between these two devices. And guys, you can see that, and both phones has a full HD Super AMOLED display. And the interesting thing is that we have a 60 Hz refresh rate on the Realme 8 Pro. Let me go to the settings. Now let's go to the display, and you can see we does not have any high refresh rate display on the Realme 8 Pro, while on the Samsung Galaxy A52 we have a 90 Hz refresh rate, which is much better as compared to the Realme 8 Pro. So now let's go display, and now let's go motion smoothness, and you can see we have 90 Hz refresh rate, and that's a really huge difference between these two devices. And also we have a Samsung One UI on the A52, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a Realme UI 2.0. My favorite is the Samsung One UI. And guys, also as you can see that, and the bezels, it is more smaller on the Samsung Galaxy A52, especially the bottom bezels. And also we have a punch hole on both phones, which is a little bit more smaller on the A52. And guys, also I like the center punch hole. Now let's see the app's opening speed. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, no app is running in the background. And also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer, that is more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A52 as compared to the Realme 8 Pro. So next on the list is the settings on both phones. Faster, I would say, little bit on the Realme 8 Pro as compared to the A52. So now let's check out some more application. Now let's start off with the Amazon shopping. Same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Again, we have a Snapdragon 720G, little bit more faster on the Realme 8 Pro as compared to the A52. So now let's see the scrolling, and that is more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy A52 because we have a 90 Hz as compared to 60 Hz on the Realme 8 Pro. Now let's check out some games application. Now let's start off with the Candy Crush Saga. Again, we have a Snapdragon 720G. So, and you can see both phones is perform very similar, little bit more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A52. Again, we have dual speakers on the A52. One it is on the bottom and one it is inside the earpiece, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a single speaker. Now let's see Instagram. Faster on the Realme 8 Pro. Let's see Pinout. Next game application. Faster little bit on the Realme 8 Pro. Let's see Snapchat. That is exactly the same. Let's see Spotify, and that is little bit more faster on the Realme 8 Pro. Let's see Subway Surfer, and both phones is perform very similar, which is obvious because we have a Snapdragon 720G processor. and you can see exactly the same, no difference there. Let's see Temper N2. Again, same Wi-Fi network and faster on the Samsung Galaxy A52. Not a huge difference. And you can see Samsung Galaxy, it is little bit more faster there. Now let's see the PUBG Mobile on both phones, and looks like the A52 faster there. Let's see. Again, both phones has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor with Adreno 618 GPU as well. Same on both phones, everything. And you can see, and still Samsung Galaxy A52, it is faster there. So that's a really interesting result. And also, and both phones give you a maximum smooth graphics with ultra frame rate, no extreme option on both phones. Now let's opening up the router. Faster on the Samsung Galaxy A52 Zedge, and that is more faster on the Realme 8 Pro as compared to the A52. So that's a very interesting result. Now let's see the scrolling, and that is more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy A52. Now let's see YouTube on both phones. Same Wi-Fi network as well. Faster on the Realme 8 Pro, but at the end exactly the same. So now let's see the scrolling, and that is again more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy A52, as well as more responsive because we have 90 Hz refresh rate. So that's a really huge difference. So last time I launched the cameras on both phones, default camera app. Now let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one, and that is more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A52 as compared to the Realme 8 Pro. Again, we have a 108 megapixel main camera on the Realme 8 Pro, while on the Samsung Galaxy A52 we have a 64 megapixel main camera. And guys, now let's see the internet browsing speed. I'm seeing the for Samsung internet browser on the A52, while on the Realme 8 Pro we have a Google Chrome. And the first website we have is the wikipedia.org, same Wi-Fi network as well. More faster on the Realme 8 Pro, not a huge difference. So now let's see the scrolling, and that is again more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy A52. So now let's open this. English, faster on the A52. So that's a really interesting result. Now let's see the scrolling, again more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy A52 as compared to the Realme 8 Pro. Next on the list is the WWE.com, and faster on the Realme 8 Pro. I have to say, again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. So now let's see the scrolling, and that is again more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy A52, but overall I have to say that no lag whatsoever. But again, we have 60 Hz on the Realme 8 Pro, while on the A52 we have 90 Hz. So that's a really huge difference. So guys, now let's see RAM management on both phones, and both phones has a 8GB of RAM. Again, we have Samsung One UI as compared to the Realme UI on the Realme 8 Pro, and both phones is running on the latest software version. Phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, no refresh. Amazon shopping, and it is a internet refresh on both phones. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, no refresh. Instagram, let's see Pinout. Let's see Snapchat. Let's see Spotify, no refresh. Subway Surfer, no refresh as well. So RAM management, it is really good on both phones right now. So now let's see that at the end. Temper N2, again no refresh. Let's see PUBG Mobile, no refresh as well. Let's see the router, no refresh. Zedge, YouTube, and last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the app's opening speed, it is more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A52. I would say little bit more faster there, but overall I have to say that both phones is perform very similar in system-based application as well as in game app loading time. In terms of the RAM management wise, both phones is perform really good in the RAM management. No refresh on both phones. That's a really good thing as well. Again, we have 4500 mAh battery size on this phone. We have a 50-watt super dark charger with the Realme 8 Pro, while on the A52 we have a 15-watt fast charging, and this phone also support 25-watt super fast charging as well. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Realme 8 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy A52. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.